your go-to place for the latest updates in drone technology, gadget news, and everything trending in the world of tech. In today's deep dive, we're discussing the newly leaked details about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The specs, design elements, camera performance, and more have been revealed ahead of launch, and we're here to break it all down for you in one complete overview. If you're into aerial photography, drone cinematography, or just a fan of cutting-edge drone innovation, this one's for you. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the latest in DJI's compact and lightweight drone lineup. According to multiple sources, including the popular tech platform Drone XL, the new model will bring a number of major improvements over its predecessor. Not only do we get to see the drone's upgraded hardware, but some leaked renders have given us a visual understanding of its new design. The original release rumors pointed to August 7th, but more accurate speculation suggests the actual launch may happen about a month later, possibly in mid-September. Let's start with the highlight feature, the camera system. One of the most significant upgrades coming to the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a massive improvement for a drone of this size and weight class, enabling far better image quality, improved performance in low-light environments, and a wider dynamic range. DJI seems to be targeting serious creators and aerial photographers with this upgrade. Unlike the smaller sensors on previous Mini models, the 1-inch sensor means higher resolution photos and cleaner video even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to the sensor, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with a newly redesigned gimbal system that allows for an impressive 225 degrees of tilt. This allows for more dynamic shooting angles, giving drone pilots more creative flexibility when filming or capturing photos. Whether you're flying above a cityscape at sunset or filming a subject in motion, the gimbal's extended range will help you get the perfect shot. It also indicates DJI's focus on cinematic drone photography, even in a compact drone body. Another major leap forward is the Mini 5 Pro's video recording capability. The drone will reportedly support 4K video at 120 frames per second. This means you can now shoot buttery smooth slow-motion footage in stunning 4K resolution. For drone cinematographers and video creators, this will be a game changer. Combined with improved stabilization and gimbal movement, the Mini 5 Pro promises footage that looks like it was captured on professional equipment, but from a palm-sized device. Let's also talk about the zoom functionality, which seems to be another highly anticipated feature. The drone is expected to support lossless zoom up to 48mm focal length. This isn't quite as powerful as the medium telephoto lens on DJI's Air 3S, but it's still an impressive feature, especially for a lightweight model. You'll be able to zoom in on subjects without losing detail, which makes it ideal for shooting landscapes, wildlife, and even events from a safe distance. Now moving on to one of the more technically advanced features, obstacle avoidance. This time around, DJI is introducing a 360 degrees obstacle detection system, powered by a combination of forward-facing LiDAR sensors and traditional optical sensors. This makes the Mini 5 Pro significantly safer to fly, even in complex or cluttered environments. And here's the best part, these sensors will also function in low-light conditions, something rarely seen in this category. Whether you're flying at dusk or beneath trees, you'll have more confidence that your drone won't crash into unexpected obstacles. The new obstacle detection system also boosts the drone's active track capability. This means the Mini 5 Pro will be more capable of tracking moving subjects, whether you're running through a park, biking along a trail, or chasing action scenes. DJI has clearly focused on making this drone not just an imaging tool, but also a smart, responsive flying assistant. This enhanced tracking could appeal to vloggers, sports creators, and content makers who need reliable subject tracking without carrying heavier drone systems. As for battery life, here's what we know so far. The Mini 5 Pro will come with two different battery options. The standard lightweight battery will allow for up to 36 minutes of flight time, which already places it among the longer-lasting drones in its category. However, there's also a Plus battery that can extend the flight time by an additional 10 minutes, bringing the total to approximately 46 minutes. But there's a catch, the Plus battery will push the drone's weight above the 249 g mark. Why does that matter? In many countries, drones under 250 grams are exempt from certain registration and regulation requirements. The lightweight model allows users to fly freely without having to deal with legal complications or permits. But if you choose the extended battery for longer flight time, you may be required to register your drone or obtain a license. It's a trade-off between convenience and performance that drone enthusiasts will need to consider. Now, let's shift our focus to the design updates. Leaked render images suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a more aerodynamic and refined body compared to earlier Mini drones. One of the key visual upgrades is the use of quick-release propellers, which makes setup and takedown significantly faster. The motors have also been updated with a sleek dark gray finish, giving the drone a more professional, high-end look. The arms and body structure seem slightly more robust as well, likely to accommodate the advanced internals and sensor layout. Even though this is a sub-250G drone in its default form, it clearly offers professional-grade features. From its high-resolution video capabilities to its obstacle sensing technology, DJI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in an ultralight drone. This makes it appealing to a wide range of users, from hobbyists and beginners to experienced drone videographers who need a compact travel drone without compromising performance. Based on the pattern of previous DJI launches and the volume of leaks we're seeing, the estimated release date is shifting away from the earlier August 7th prediction. Instead, it's more realistic to expect an announcement sometime in mid to late September, with official sales beginning soon after. That gives us just a few weeks to see the full reveal, and judging by the specs, it'll be worth the wait. If you're planning to buy your first drone, or looking to upgrade to something lightweight yet powerful, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the perfect choice. Its blend of compact design, pro-level specs, and intelligent features puts it ahead of many competitors. Plus, the flexibility to stay under or go above the 249G mark depending on your battery choice adds another layer of user customization. To wrap it all up, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the most impressive compact drone DJI has ever produced. With a 1-inch sensor, 4K video at 120 frames per second, advanced active track, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and flight times of up to 46 minutes, this drone is not only feature-rich, but also user-friendly and legally flexible. The camera improvements alone will draw in content creators, while the upgraded tracking and avoidance systems will ensure safe and smart flying. Whether you're a solo filmmaker, an adventure vlogger, or just a drone enthusiast, this model checks almost every box.